Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to test raw diamonds at home using the transparency test. This test helps you determine if a stone is real or not, using simple tools you can find in any home. We'll focus only on the transparency test, which is safe, quick, and doesn't require any complicated equipment. First, take the stone you want to test and place it over printed text or a line on a piece of paper. Notice, a real diamond is very transparent, but the line appears blurred and unclear through the stone. You can't read it clearly, and this is a good sign that the stone may be a genuine diamond. See how the light bends when the line passes through the stone. Now, take the second stone and place it over the same text. Notice carefully, the line does not appear at all through the stone. This means the stone is not transparent and is not a real diamond. It may be a semi-precious stone or synthetic crystal. This simple method allows you to quickly tell the difference between a real diamond and a fake one.